Hi again. So this was the second day of April, our memorizing month. Boogie found 3 books on memory, and we started with the one called Memory Craft by Lynn Kelly.
We started from the first chapter, and it talked about a visual technique called visual alphabets. We read about it, discussed, and set out the goal to create our own visual alphabet.
Then we did some stretching the next morning, which was actually today, and we wanted to take a walk in the evening after work because sakura has finally started to blossom. And I hate the fact that I look so stupid in the time-lapse video every time I yawn. I look like a fish.
My anaconda don't. My anaconda don't.
Booby told me to do this, but actually his butt is bigger than mine. I don't see the point. Look at that kid. It's a rainy day. It's Wednesday. This sakura, it's not sakura, but sakura has finally blossomed. Yay! Everyone's been waiting for this for the past, 2 weeks. Well, I personally have been waiting for this for 2 weeks. And now they're finally out! Oh. It's not heavily raining at the moment, but I don't know, it's just...
You get money, you can do that.
Okay, I will do that. But I just want to learn the system right now, so I don't mind even if I don't get paid for the extra.
요게 있어. visual alphabet 있어.
Oh, sorry, I forgot.
왜 어떤 했었고요? 진짜 약발이요.
Baby, please speak in English.
I did my visual alphabet drawings, and I made a mistake because I thought it would be fine if it was not humans or just objects, But I have finally decided to do them again, redo them.
Okay.
In terms of humans,
Uh-huh.
and if I don't have any humans, I will do animals.
Oh.
So A is for me for now. A can be Ariana Grande
Why Ariana Grande?
because it's like if you go A in the singer, it like pops up in your head straight up. Ariana
Really?
Grande, yeah.
Okay. So your A is Ariana. Okay.
It's Ariana Grande. A is Ariana Grande. B is I wonder what I should my B should be. Beyonce.
Really?
Beyonce or I was also thinking about
I don't
Benedict
think-
Cumberbatch.
Dun.
Beyonce.
Bong.
Beyonce. Why not Beyonce? Beyonce is like you can image her.
No, I was thinking like your A and B should, they easily connect with each other, that you don't have to think about it. I mean, if you do it enough times, then it will just, automatically come to you after Ariana A, Ariana B, Beyonce maybe. But
How did you want to do it then?
well, maybe because Ariana has had many ex-boyfriends. I was thinking maybe boyfriend or Bieber.
Yeah, I know. If you do a boyfriend, it's kind of hard to imagine a face to it straight away.
Yeah, but so that's what I was saying, like Bieber, because Ariana and
I
Bieber
mean-
had a song together.
Yeah, but I don't know. I feel like that's B, but the sounding of it is the same. So Beyonce
Okay,
maybe better. I don't know.
you do you.
I haven't decided yet, but C is oh, I forgot now.
So you're gonna do all celebrities now?
Yeah, I'm thinking that may be a good idea because
I agree,
It's
I
like,
agree.
it's like
It's
a
easy to
really,
remember.
yeah, real person's face. How would I read real person's face to the whole story. I was thinking also doing a bunch of real friends, and then I thought maybe the celebrities are more.
I wonder why
memorable.
you didn't think Ari instead of Ariana.
I
though.
did. I thought of everyone, but I thought maybe the celebrities are better.
Because you don't have enough friends who can fill in 26.
Yeah, most of them are A and B, so it doesn't make sense. And the C, I was thinking, I can't remember now. Just wrote it down. But, C is Chaplin.
Celine?
Chaplin.
My battery has died. Bye bye.